This Mombasa at night. No people are in Mombasa at night, and it's literally at 8:10 p.m. So ask yourself, what about 11, 10 p.m? This street will be empty, no cars even. Yeah, I'm at the central business district of Mombasa. Yeah. So I'm going to my hotel. This is the central business of Mombasa, no people at all. But there's a street which looks busy right here with a lot of cars. You can see it, but no people. Yeah, I'll be heading that way. When I climb the car, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. The whole of the street. The whole of the street. Okay, this is Mombasa at night. No people. It's not busy. So Mombasa at night is not busy. You can see it's 8:10 p.m. and it looks like this. So can you ask yourself, what about 10 p.m? There'll be no one. Look at this street. It's empty. Yeah. So guys, you need to support me and get a GoPro camera. This one is so hectic. Yeah, we have this street which looks so busy. Stage hapa iko wapi? Stage ya magari. Hivi Apollos. Hivi na Changamwe. Hapa. Zinaenda hivi. So we are supposed to take